So, good morning, mom. Good morning, classmate. My name is Martin Alnarag from BPED 2A. So, as I've done watching our topic in lesson 3, which is the dimension of a learner-centered teaching. So, there are three important things that I've learned at the same time, the two realization as well. So, the first important thing is the topic the role of the teacher. So, the role of the teacher, wherein the teacher serve as the material. So, serve as the material because they're going to facilitate us and at the same time guide us for us to become for us to know and to have an after the session. So it is a process of construct new learning. So where we students, we learners, we challenge ourselves by adopting the new distance learning in order for us to become knowledgeable at the end of the session. And at the same time, we students, we should put some interest on it. We should become more productive, more active, and at the same time we should practice our critical thinking in order for us to easily adopt the new distance learning. So the teacher is always there to guide us in order for us to guide us and give some clarifications. And at the same time, they were going to manage the classroom scenario. So that's it. So next is the responsibility for learning. So when we talk about responsibility for learning, we students have the responsibility to learn for our own. We need to become independent. We need to become independent in order for us to practice and at the same time to become ready at the end of the end of the session. So first, there are three important things about this responsibility for learning. First is we students should have a goal, and at the same time independent, and at the same time we need to assess what and how we will going to and how we will going to learn. That's it. So next is the balance of power. So when we talk about the balance of power, we should practice the ask and give. So we're in us for us students, we need to ask the teachers in order for us to know what are the things we clarify. And at the same time, we students we students practice our confident in order for us to in order for us to confident enough to give what was our what was our to give what was our suggestions or other or what do you call that one, some clarification if there is. And at the same time give, so the teacher always there to give what was we need to understand, and at the same time what was we need to do in order for us to easily adopt the distance learning. So there are the two realization is first the role to accomplish, and at the same time the constructing of knowledge. So the role to accomplish. So when we were going to accomplish something, of course we need to put some goal, we need to put some objectives in order for us to easily get what we want. So we need to put some step by step, or at the same time we need to practice the step by step process in order for us to easily adopt the new learning distance.